why choose us? Why build a unique pool? I've developed about 10 different things that are a little bit different than most companies within the Valley that we've made standard on our swimming pool construction, just to set us apart from our competitors. And I wanted to go through today some of those things with you. Number one is our concrete shells and the method in which we waterproof.
All of our swimming pools and spas start with the ACI industry minimum of 4,000 PSI shotcrete, and after 7 days of continuous water curing can achieve strengths over 40% greater than a standard 28-day concrete cure. I will guarantee you that most of my competitors use lesser concrete than the minimum and will ask you, the homeowner, to cure your new investment on your own. Next, with the durability and density of our swimming pool shells making them almost waterproof already, we use a colloidal silicate concrete densifier on all of our above ground applications such as spas, swim-up bars, Lautner edge pools, and vanishing edges. This pneumatic application works chemically and mechanically within our concrete shells to further keep water where we want it. Finally, even if your concrete shell is 100% watertight, there are still locations that water can find its way out of your brand new pool, and this is around the pipe and skimmer and light locations. For this reason, our waterproofing crew is trained to seal all of these locations prior to interior finish, virtually making your new pool and spa completely waterproof. Why go through all this? Well, water is one of the most damaging and corrosive forces in nature. It can rust and decay the rebar within the shell of your swimming pool. It can cause differential settlement of the soils beneath the shell and patios. And also, it's a precious resource, meaning it's expensive to fill your pool from water and chemical loss.
I'm hoping that you can see these quick and easy methods have a lifelong, long-term benefit to our clients on all the pools that we build, which is why this is the #1 reason to build a unique pool. Next, Unique believes in building pools with low maintenance and water quality in mind. For that reason, I can introduce number 2 and number 3 on our top 10 list.
Number 2 is Paramount Pool Products. Paramount has been our manufacturer of choice for over 10 years now on our in-floor cleaning systems and water quality products. Paramount is the industry leader in in-floor cleaning and located right here in Chandler, Arizona, providing both Unique and our clients amazing support. We believe that every one of our Unique swimming pools should have an in-floor cleaning system as part of its maintenance, circulation, and filtration systems. I mean, for a small upfront investment to have your pool clean every single day, that's a no-brainer, right? For those that have had in-floor cleaning systems that don't work, well, we are so confident in the engineers who designed our systems that we offer a 99% money-back guarantee. Secondly, we don't cut corners on any of the ancillary products that make our systems work 100% efficiently. The Venturi skimmers that focus suction to the main drain, the large debris main drains that allow leaves to pass through and not clog the drain, and finally, the use of the large debris canister to collect large debris for weekly servicing. These are all reasons why our systems work.
There are ways to go cheap on these systems, but if you want the best and something that works, our systems are guaranteed.
Secondly, Paramount offers an array of products that truly benefit our custom pools. From UV and ozone that allow our pools to run on less residual chlorine, to disappearing step fountains, air bubblers, and autofills.
Paramount is truly an amazing partner to have in the pool business. This leads us into reason number 3, Pentair. What can I say about the best when it comes to delivering top-notch, industry-leading products
that make controlling and using our unique pools even easier? Pentair is a billion-dollar company that continues to lead the market with virtually all of our systems that integrate into our projects. It starts with pool and spa automation. Imagine controlling your pool and spa from anywhere you have a cell phone or Wi-Fi. Fire up that heater on the drive home from the airport, set schedules for filtration, change pool light colors, all from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Pentair also manufactures variable flow pumps, filters, heaters, heat pumps, lights, and water features.
And when purchased through and installed by Unique, it carries a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. We couldn't be more proud to offer the Pentair name in our lineup. Number 4 is Wet Edge Technologies. Unique truly builds custom pools and believes in companies that have a complete lineup of choices for our clients.
Which is why we have chosen Wet Edge pool interiors for our interior finishes. Wet Edge is one of the main competitors in the interior finish industry, competing side by side with PebbleTech pools. In fact, we offer our signature matrix product, which is identical to the Pebble Sheen interior, and have many other products for our clients to choose that fit their use, lifestyle, maintenance, durability, and budget. One of my favorite products, and really a leading factor to why we have chosen Wet Edge, is their Primera Stone pool surface. One of the main complaints my clients have with pebble finishes is how rough it is. I mean, it is rock. When designing a pool for my family, I wanted a durable surface, but I also wanted one that was smooth and pleasant to touch. Well, Primera Stone fits the bill, and it starts with an aggregate pebble finish and is diamond polished smooth, giving it an amazing feel underwater.
My kids swim all day long sometimes, and the Primera Stone surface allows them to do just that without any skin irritations. You have to come to our showroom and feel the difference. Number 5 is communication. We truly believe in our construction process, but communication is the key ingredient that brings it all together.
For that reason, Unique has an online project management system that allows seamless integration between our clients, our accounting, design construction plans, and of course the construction process. Our clients get their own login and portal that contains contract and accounting information, payment tracking, access to their construction plans, any permits, engineering, a project schedule, material selections, and even warranty, all from the convenience of your own computer. Secondly, we use a similar system to follow up and stay in touch with all of our clients after construction is done, with important reminders, updates, and service schedules. Imagine a company that actually reminds you before your warranty expires. Does that ever happen? Well, with each of our projects, it actually does. This allows you to ensure that we help you catch any issues prior to different warranty periods expiring and running out.
All these make the unique difference. With these systems in place, we're the company for you. Number 6 is the integration of our swimming pools with landscaping and hardscaping.
One of the hardest things for pool companies to do is to design and coordinate construction of hardscapes and landscapes. It's an entirely different business than subcontracting a swimming pool. For several years prior to building pools, I watched the haphazard installation of many of the Valley pool builders as they struggled to properly integrate a pool into a basic backyard. From design to construction, they simply wanted to just build you a swimming pool. Well, many of these companies are still around today just to build you a pool, but our philosophy is different. We want to help you plan, design, and build everything outside. We call ourselves outdoor general contractors because Unique truly integrates all aspects of outdoor construction, all with one seamless process. There are not many companies that will completely design and build the complete outdoor environment. However, we started doing this almost 10 years ago and have 4 different construction licenses to ensure our clients are completely protected in all aspects of our work. Not only are we a licensed pool builder, we hold a general contractor's license, allowing us to design, permit, and build our outdoor structures. We also hold a residential and commercial landscape and irrigation license, as well as our commercial swimming pool license.
All these credentials speak to our experience, qualifications, and ability to ensure that your investment is a wise one. Number 7 is the fact that all of our projects are engineered. And when I say engineered, my background is engineering, where I have a degree in civil engineering
from the University of New Mexico. While I'm not a practicing professional engineer, I think like one, and I want all of my projects to last well past our warranty period and have as few long-term issues as possible. With that in mind, I have passed this philosophy onto my design team, construction plans department, and project managers, as together we have developed details and methods of construction that we feel will surpass most Valley companies. Some quick examples are drainage. It is of utmost importance on all of our projects as water is very damaging. Masonry and bond beams. All of our block construction, barbecues, and fireplaces contain rebar and solid-filled bond beams for structural integrity. This is not the industry standard, but it should be. Our paver installations are done using ICPI standards of subbase, compaction, leveling, and polymeric sand. We have many more, but these are just a few examples of what to expect when working with Unique.
I can assure you that our construction plans are far more detailed than a majority of our competitors. So we'd love to show you some examples. Just ask. Number 8 is truly custom swimming pools and spas. Unique does not mass produce swimming pools.
In fact, we focus on building just 80 to 100 unique projects. And we take pride in the integration of hardscape, landscape, and patios into our pool projects. We have a greater focus on all of our swimming pool design and engineering than most companies, and we're the best source for complicated projects, guaranteed. Each year we are tasked with some pretty challenging installations that contain features such as swim-up bars, negative edge pools, lazy rivers,
and the impressive Lautner Edge, where the water is the same level as the patio. All these projects should not be left up to inexperienced pool builders. This brings us to number 9, the industry status and financials. Over the past 15 years,
Unique has earned its reputation and developed into a strong, financially stable company that has weathered the harshest economic downturns. Before investing into any project, it's best to know who you are hiring, right? Can this company financially finish your project? And if so, will they be around to warranty it? Our open door policy allows our clients to come into our office, review our facility, our employees, subcontractors, even our finances if needed. In fact, we are one of the few landscape and pool companies that owns their own property, building, showroom, trucks, and equipment.
I'm happy to provide you with any information you may need to understand that Unique is the right company for you. And finally, number 10. In 2007, I started building swimming pools, and I learned from many of the current companies in town. And as I mentioned prior, many methods just didn't make sense. So I quickly went to research and test better ways to build my projects. It wasn't until 2013 that I heard about the Genesis 3 group and the Society of Water-Shaped Designers.
This group intrigued me, as they were some of the industry's best pool builders, engineers, and designers, and they were all working together to educate and improve the entire pool and water shape industry. My first class was in 2015, and after a year of courses in design, engineering, and construction, I earned my SWD accreditation in the fall of 2016.
I'm now one of only a handful of select water-shaped designers across the nation that has successfully completed the accredited educational program for pool and spa builders. So what is Genesis?
And I'll quote from one of the Genesis founders, Skip Phillips. Genesis is a like-minded group of the most talented and educated designers and builders in the pool and spa industry. Genesis is literally a parallel industry. The only thing we have in common with the rest of our industry is the water. Our vessels are mechanically, structurally, and cosmetically superior to any other industry offerings. So how will Genesis help you on your pool project? Well, I'm happy you asked. You will likely notice in some of our proposals that Genesis has some standards and position statements that we feel should be industry standards, and we will bring to your attention. I have applied many of these standards to my swimming pools, and they're found in our estimates and proposals. Even though these are not Arizona standards, along with the Genesis Society, I am trying to better the pool industry. From better shotcrete techniques, hydraulics and pool plumbing, overall pool and water feature design, to engineering. Every aspect in swimming pool construction is important.
Look for many of these Genesis standards on our swimming pools, and the rest of the industry will hopefully be watching what we do and follow suit very soon.